Ah, good morning, everybody. Here we are in my garage. Had a once again, I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video, but a couple of things. New headlights on the car. As you can tell, they're just black stock headlights, you know. Normal bulbs. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them yet, but what I'm doing right now, new plug wires too. But yeah, my engine bay is a mess because I took the radiator out. Reason is there is a big crack in there. Yeah, that looks like shit, I know. I tried to patch it. Anyway, forget about that. So, yep, got that out. It's 4 in the morning. It took me about an hour to get that out. I'm fighting with this stupid bracket. This stupid bracket right here does not want to come off. I've used WD-40 on this stupid bolt there twice, soaked it up real well. All it does is spin. It doesn't go out or get any tighter. I don't get it. So I used a hammer and like bent it and then like fidgeted the radiator out, but yeah. Oh, yeah. This is a GT radiator, by the way. Fucking tiny. So I ordered one at Advanced Auto. That's a 1-inch thick core. So yeah, should work pretty well. So I'm just gonna turn this off. I need to shower and sleep for a little while, but I did add another light there in the back because I needed more light. It was pretty dark in here in the back before, but yep, we got this shop light and that one, so we are set. I bought some kitty litter to clean up my fluid messes that I make from now on. So, yep. Still fighting KR in third gear. I keep getting the P1133 code. Not sure why. I've replaced that front O2 sensor probably a dozen times. Still comes back. My theory is I might have fried a driver in the PCM for the sensor because long story short, I had the wires backwards that go from the factory harness to the O2 extension. So maybe I burnt out a ground or a driver in the PCM. I'm not sure. So what I could do is buy another stock PCM, same year, and have my friend throw the tune from this PCM onto that one. And see if it goes away, and my fuel is perfect. AFRs, I mean. But yeah, sorry about my voice. I picked up allergies or something. But anyway, so yeah, new radiator tomorrow. Should be ready to rock and roll after that. So thanks for watching, guys.